Hello YouTube, you're watching Motor of Heart, and today I'm going to answer the big question that many of you guys have in your mind, that is it the right time to buy the Himalayan 411 or Scram 411, or rather you should wait for a Himalayan 450. So if you have this question in your mind, then be with me, because I'm going to answer this question with my ownership experience of owning this Royal Enfield Himalayan 411. Royal Enfield Himalayan 411 is a 411cc SOSC motor. It is a single cylinder motor which churns out around 24 PS of power and 32 Nm of torque, which is not enough, because it is not underpowered, but this motorcycle is not that powerful, not that punchy, that any big motorcycle guy or someone who want his motorcycle to be very fast, you're not gonna like this kind of a power. And along with this power, the weight of the motorcycle is also quite high, around 250 kgs, 215 kgs kind of a weight. So this weight definitely robs away the feeling of fast motorcycle. This engine is tractable enough to handle all the activities that any rider want to do with his motorcycle. Other than engine performance, I don't see any big problem with this motorcycle. Definitely there are some issues with this motorcycles, and this is not the only motorcycle that many people have found issues. There are many other Royal Enfield motorcycles also, and they have their own problems. To solve that problem, I think Royal Enfield has introduced the 450cc engine. So Himalayan 411 has a long stroke engine that is a heritage of Royal Enfield motorcycles, and a 450 motorcycle going to have a short stroke engine, which is a kind of a modern kind of a. With that motor, Royal Enfield has introduced many other things like liquid cooling, and definitely people are expecting good top performance in the top RPM that this motorcycle don't have. So yeah, that motor definitely going to be different, completely different than this motor. So yeah, there are things that people will love about. Some people will love about the 450 engine, and might be some people might not love also. So if anyone who wants a charm of a old school motorcycling, then this is for you. This has that old school charm because it's a long stroke motor, and the feeling is very similar to the old school motorcycles, retro motorcycles. So yeah, if you are such a kind of person that you want a retro kind of a motorcycle, retro kind of ADV motorcycle, then definitely current Royal Enfield Himalayan 411 is for you. And if you are kind of person like KTM 250, KTM 390 user, like the modern ADV kind of motorcycle, then I think you should definitely wait for a Himalayan 450, because Himalayan 450 is actually a competitor to Adventure 390. So summing up this video, I would say if you want to buy a modern ADV, just wait for a Himalayan 450. You can go for ADV 390 or ADV 250 also, but before buying any motorcycle, do test ride and then choose. And if you want to buy a ADV retro kind of motorcycle, then just don't wait for a Himalayan 450, just go for a 411, because this is more cost effective, this is capable, this is smooth enough to ride until 100 kmph. I don't want to go very frantic on power, then just buy this motorcycle. This is a brilliant option, brilliant looking motorcycle also. It's definitely head turner, even though this motorcycle is now, this generation of the motorcycle of Himalayan 411 is now around 7 years old, I think. yet this motorcycle is a head turner, so keep that in mind. You can go for it. So that's what I can tell you as a owner of the Himalayan. My other ownership videos about the Himalayan 411 and other reviews of the Scram 411 and many other Royal Enfield motorcycle is on my channel, so you do go there and watch those videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.